Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to distribute elements evenly in your Google drawing. So here I have a number of text boxes, and you'll notice that they're not very well spaced out. These two are close together, this one's way over here. But ultimately, I want those text boxes to be distributed evenly. I want the spacing between them to be the same. So what I can do is, if I hold down the Control key and select all three of the text boxes, notice it defines like a space, and now it has all three text boxes in that space. When I go to Arrange, I hover over Distribute, and if I select horizontally, it will then take those three text boxes and make them evenly spaced. All right, so notice the middle one just sort of moved to the center of there. And now those are evenly spaced. And I can do the same thing vertically. Notice I have more text boxes down here, but the vertical spacing is all off. So if I hold down Control again and just select all 5 of those text boxes, I go to Arrange and Distribute, and then instead of selecting horizontally, I'm just going to select vertically. And now all of those text boxes moved in a way that makes them spread out evenly vertically. So the space, the vertical distance between the text boxes is now uniform between all 5 of those text boxes. So that gives it a nice symmetry, a nice clean, crisp look, and it'll really make your drawings look a lot better, more professional, like you put more time into it. Nice thing about Google Drawings is you don't have to put in a lot of time to make it look like you put in a lot of time. So there's a tool that you can use in Google Drawings to really make your Google Drawings and images just look that much nicer.